Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the nail precisely. Clean, dehydrate, and push back cuticles so the sticker sits flat. Once done, choose a sticker form that matches the nail width and align the center over the cuticle line. This prevents air pockets. Make sure to peel the backing slowly, place the gel side onto the nail, and press from cuticle to free edge. You'll feel it grip. Then smooth sides and trim excess immediately so the form follows the natural nail curve. After placement, you trim the sticker to the length you want and sculpt the tip. Short trims first, then fine adjustments. Next, apply a thin layer of builder or sculpting gel over the sticker form to create structure. Use light strokes to avoid air bubbles. Cure under an LED lamp according to the gel's time. Once cured, remove the sticker form, then file and blend the area around the cuticle and free edge so the extension looks seamless and holds its shape. You finish by applying a high-shine top coat and curing fully, then remove the tacky layer so the surface is smooth. Make sure the tip and sides sit flush. If you see lifting, do not panic. Slightly roughen the underside, re-adhere or reinforce with a thin bead of gel, and cure again. Keep one key troubleshooting tip in mind. Lifting usually means contamination or wrong size, so always reevaluate prep and sizing before reapplying to prevent repeat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.